What's up guys, Mon here. Welcome back to Hardware Voyage. Isang mabilis na unboxing lang sa bagong mechanical keyboard ng Logitech, ang G915. So wala namang bago sa box ng Logitech. It says G915 wireless RGB mechanical gaming keyboard, and here's a glimpse of the product itself. Wala naman dito sa gilid, pero dito sa likod makikita natin yung Lightspeed Technology logo ng Logitech, one of the most reliable wireless connection with 1 millisecond response time at battery efficient din. Parehong technology na ginagamit nila sa mga wireless gaming mouse. LightSync RGB, so customizable lighting, RGB all you want. ALMG means aluminum magnesium alloy, which contributes a lot on the build quality. And lastly, Logitech's new low profile GL mechanical switches. So sa loob ng box, we have the keyboard itself. Andito rin yung wireless receiver, micro USB cable, yes, hindi pa rin Type-C. Finally, a sticker from Logitech and user's manual. Balik tayo sa keyboard. It's a full layout keyboard with 5 extra programmable keys. Sobrang nipis nito na parang yung mga chiclet type keyboards lang na madalas gamit sa mga office, pero ang ganda ng build quality nito and it looks really good. Dito sa bandang taas, we have the M keys for changing profiles and recording macros, a light speed button, Bluetooth button dahil pwede rin natin itong gamitin via Bluetooth. This gaming key disables the Windows key, and the lighting button para i-adjust ang brightness ng LED. Meron din tayong LED indicators for caps lock and battery life, another Lightspeed logo here, at dito naman sa top right corner meron tayong volume wheel with waterfall design and dedicated media playback buttons. Now for the low profile GL switches, meron silang ino-offer na linear, tactile, and clicky version, pero what we have here is the GL clicky switches, and here's how it sounds. Alright, yun lang muna para sa unboxing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the full review. Thanks for watching. Peace.